Today's video is about formulating equations. You will be given a word problem and have to formulate the equation from the word problem. You will also be given an equation and have to formulate the scenario from the equation. Our first example is Sally Mae deposited $25 into her savings account every week. She sees a cute pair of shoes and buys them for $125. If she currently has $575 in her savings account, how many weeks has Sally Mae been saving? First, you want to look at what you are missing. In this case, we do not know how many weeks Sally has been saving. Remember that when we are missing something, we put a variable into the equation. You may put any letter you choose. Usually you will see X. We know that she deposited $25 into her. We know that Sally has saved a total of $575. So that's what we're going to make our equation equal to. We also know that she saved $25 each week. Since we don't know how many weeks she's been saving, we are going to take 25 and multiply it by X. 25 is the amount per week, X is the number of weeks. One last piece of information in the problem is the shoes that she bought. We have to ask ourselves, is this additional money she had or money that came out of her account? If she's buying the shoes, then it came out of her account, so we subtract 125. So our equation for this situation is 25x minus 125 is equal to 575. Our next example is Jim Bob works at a factory for $18 an hour. After receiving a $212 bonus check, Jim Bob takes home a paycheck for $320. How many hours did Jim Bob work? Remember that we first ask ourselves, what are we missing? In this problem, we're missing how many hours he worked. You can use any letter to represent that. Let's use H. We know that his total paycheck was $320. So that's what the entire equation is going to be equal to. We know that he makes $18 an hour. We're missing the number of hours, but we know each hour he makes $18 an hour. So we're going to take 18 times the number of hours he works. Our last piece of information in the problem is that he receives a $212 bonus check. We have to ask ourselves, is this money that's coming out of his check or is it additional money in his check? In this case, a bonus is additional money you get, so that means you're going to add 212. So what this equation means is that we know he makes $18 an hour plus the $212 bonus is equal to his total paycheck of $320. Sometimes you might be given an equation and have to pick the scenario that represents the equation. In this case, we have the equation 5n minus 3 is equal to 42. You have 4 answer choices. It's usually easiest if you look at each answer choice and determine what the equation is going to be for that answer choice. So let's do that now. A, pizzas cost $5 each and there's a delivery charge of $3. If your total bill is 42, how many pizzas did you buy? So we know the total bill is 42, so this equation is going to be equal to 42. And we know pizzas cost $5 each, but we don't know how many we've bought. So we know 5 times the number of pizzas, and we use the variable because we don't know how many pizzas that we've bought, and then we have to pick the last piece of information. There's a delivery charge of $3. We have to ask ourselves, is the delivery charge an additional charge you pay, or is it money that you are getting off of paying for the pizzas? In this case, a delivery charge is always extra money, so we would add 3. So the equation for A is 5n plus 3 is equal to 42. Look at B. Pizzas cost $3 each, and you have a $5 coupon. If your total bill is $42, how many pizzas did you buy? Once again, our equation is equal to 42. But now, instead of our pizzas costing $5 each like in A, our pizzas cost $3 each. We still don't know how many pizzas we have bought. So we're going to take 3 times the number of pizzas, because pizzas in this situation are $3 each. Then we have to ask ourselves a $5 coupon. Does that mean that I'm paying additional money or saving money? Coupons save you money, so it would subtract 5. So 3n minus 5 is equal to 42. Look at C. Pizzas cost $3 each, and there's a delivery charge of $5. If your total bill is $42, how many pizzas did you buy? Once again, our total is $42. Pizzas cost $3 each, so 3 times the number of pizzas, and then you have a delivery charge of $5. Remember from speaking about it in example A that a delivery charge is extra money that you are paying, so we would add the 5. D says pizza cost $5 each. You have a $3 coupon. If your total bill is $42, how many pizzas did you buy? Once again, our total is $42. Our pizzas are $5 each, but we don't know how many we've bought, so 5 times the number of pizzas, and then you have a $3 coupon. Remember from example B that a coupon saves you money, so we're going to subtract 3. So now that you have an equation written for each scenario, match the equation that's given to you. So the correct answer in this case is D. Pizzas cost $5 each, you have a $3 coupon, and you have a total bill of $42.